Hey everybody, this is Jerry Kazaya with the Auto Shop in beautiful Plano, Texas. I have my lovely assistant here. She is running the camera today, and so Laura will be back on the inside of this vehicle in a minute. But we have a very interesting case that we thought we should bring to you as quickly as we could. There's a lot of noise coming from this vehicle, and we're going to show you why, show you what it's all about, and hang on, we're going to switch cameras and operators. So we have our lovely assistant, the beautiful Dr. Laura.
Hello.
And she is going to fire this car up. Let's hear it go. Oh! In addition to that, if you'll see, there's a check engine light on the dash too. Well, it says service engine soon. That's a problem. There you go.
That is so loud.
What were you saying?
I said that is so loud. I had no idea it was going to be like that.
Okay, so you heard all that loud noise, right? And you're wondering what in the world is causing that. Well, believe it or not, take a look up here. See this pipe? Look at this. Nice heat shields are there. There's something missing. Somebody came by with a Sawzall and they cut off the catalytic converter on this vehicle and the oxygen sensor, the downstream O2 sensor, and that's why the check engine light is on. But that's where all the noise is coming from. People are stealing the catalytic converters on vehicles, so they sell them because there's precious metals inside the converter that converts your exhaust system into at least something that's more tolerable. Now, the best thing you can do, the easiest way that you can prevent this from happening to your car is to park your vehicle indoors. Park it inside your garage. That's the absolute easiest way to make sure that nobody can do this. I'm telling you, this vehicle had its converter stolen in less than 5 minutes. They come up with a battery operated Sawzall and they just cut it. They don't care. And this job is going to be very expensive because now we have to replace the catalytic converter with a new piece. If you have any questions or comments, please leave comments below. Click the like button. Tell all your friends that we fix cars. We love to do that here at the Auto Shop, and you can call us at 972-578-0588 or look us up on the web at www.theautoshop.com. I'm Jerry, and I just want to say thanks. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon.